welcome back to Once Upon DIY. Today we're doing an origami crane, right, as you can see right here. You can use copy paper, wrapping paper, or origami paper. I suggest you do not use construction paper. It's too thick. It will not fold right. The creases will not be smooth. And you see I messed up a little bit here. That's okay. It's just because this one is a little bigger. The bigger ones actually seem to be harder than the super tiny ones. So let's get started. So I'm going to give you a little bit of background on origami. It is kind of a traditional Japanese thing. This is all Japanese origami paper. You can get it at a Japanese art or craft store. I have a bunch of different kinds, like I have foil, there's different shapes, sizes. You want them to be square though when you're doing specific types of origami. Most of the time it is square, but some are rectangular. But it originated in Japan and it kind of spread around the world. And you know, here in America we have it. It's kind of popular sometimes. It kind of comes in and out. It's really cool. I have crane chains, the train of cranes, or whatever you want to call it. But I can make another video on that. But basically, you get a needle and thread it through a bunch of cranes, knotting after each one, and you get a crane chain. But let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. If you are using copy paper or rectangular piece, you're going to take the one corner and you're going to pull it down to the edge of the paper. Can you see that? And then you line it up at the corner up here. So you want this corner to fold in half and line up like this. And then you can crease it, and you can make it as small as you want or as big as you want. And then this is the biggest one you can make of copy paper, and then you just trim it and you have your square. After you have chosen your origami paper or folded and cut your copy or wrapping paper, let's start with step number 1. So most people are like, why do I have to do all these extra folds and then unfold them? Well, if you didn't do the extra folds, it wouldn't be very precise and it wouldn't look as good. So we're going to do 4 different folds. We're going to fold it into a triangle. Make sure you line it up best as you can. Okay. And then you fold it in half again to make a smaller triangle. And now you're going to unfold it. So now you have a big X. And we're going to fold it in half, hot dog style. And you now have a rectangle. And you're going to fold it in half again, hamburger style, and get a square. Now unfold it, and you see we kind of have like a diamond shape. And there you go. Step 2. So now that we have our folds, we're going to keep it in this diamond shape, not in a square. And we're using this corner, and that corner. So right now we're going to start with these 2 corners. So this corner is going to fold down, line it up as best as you can, kind of crease it, and then right here you see how there's a little line. You're going to pull that back and meet it in the corner. And then, so you see it's a little crooked. Just gonna fix that, and it's okay. Sometimes the way you creased it, it doesn't always work out. You can just leave it. It doesn't have to be super perfect. And then we're going to bring down the other corner we're doing the same thing. Press down, crease it a little bit, and then push back with this line. Line it up. And then now you have your frog. So there you go. Okay, step 3. Now that we have our little frog, you can see the slit line from there before. You might want to fold that in half, crease it so the line shows up better. So that's the middle of it. And we're folding the corner into it. Like that. So we're doing a kite fold. Like that. And then we can unfold it. Only one side. So you know how it's like this? Only one side stays folded. And then we turn it over and fold these other flaps in, line it up. And now you have a kite on each side. Okay, so the top, we want to just fold it back and front to get a nice crease. And we're going to unfold, not this flap yet, but this one. And we're gonna pull it back. And so since you have a crease here, it's gonna go back. And these are gonna fold in like it was folded before. And so now you have a diamond. Just crease that. We do the same for the other side. Okay, step 5. So we now have our 2 diamonds, and you can see you can do this. That is going to be the legs of our crane. So we're going to fold in both sides again. So we're doing a kite fold again. Like that. And then we do the other side. Okay, step 6, we're going to fold in this. So this is the hard part. You fold it again, so these are going to fold back in. So there's a little crease right here. We're pushing up and back and folding it. So it's like this. And then you do the same on the side. So you kind of unfold it a little bit, push back and up and fold. And then you can kind of bring them out a little bit like that. And then fold one side down. This is going to be the head of the crane. And there we go. We have our crane with the crane paper. And some people prefer to leave it like this, but you can fold the wings down and have it like that so it's flying. And there you go. There's your crane. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want some more origami videos.